Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So, know that it's been a minute, and as you can tell, my hair is so dry. Like, y'all, I really need to do something with this. So what I'm gonna do is, it's not quite my wash day yet, but I am going to co-wash. So I'm just gonna show you all quick kind of my co-wash routine, my updated routine. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna wet my hair and I'll come right back. Okay y'all, so I just finished drenching my hair. So what I'm gonna do is go in with my co-wash. This is the co-wash that y'all saw me use the last time, and I actually love it, so I'm gonna show you what it is. As I am Growash, and I actually love this stuff. As you can see, I'm almost out, but yeah, so let's just get into this. So because my hair is now drenched with water, I'm just gonna go in and put the co-wash in and also do a slight massage. So I'm really upset because I already started applying my co-wash and it wasn't even recording. But I'm not quite done applying, so it's okay. I'm gonna continue to show you all kinds of motions in which I apply the co-wash. This side is basically almost done. This side is not. So we're gonna deal with this. I'm a little mad. I'm just a little bit mad, but like, it's fine. Let's just continue, I guess. So now it's finally recording. So what I'm gonna do is apply the co-wash to both hands, and I'm going to be running it all the way through from root to tip. And you'll also see me detangling my hair slightly just with my fingers while I'm applying the co-wash. And I just find that this is a little bit easier for me to just knock it out in one thing. And I'm also kind of massaging my scalp as I go, just slightly, because we'll get into the scalp massage a little bit later. Now I'm just gonna go in with my electric scalp massager and tilt my head forward while massaging every area of my scalp. And this will increase blood flow as well as just kind of help my scalp absorb all the moisture that it's getting, as well as my strands. I always try to do scalp massages whenever my wash day, my co-wash day, every other night, because honestly, not only do they help blood flow, but it's so relaxing. It makes you feel like you can conquer the world, you know what I mean? So that's how I feel right now. I really do. Channeling all of that. So I'm gonna go rinse this out and I'll be back. Whew. Okay y'all, so co-wash is all rinsed out and my hair feels very, very moisturized. Feels pretty nice considering there was nothing in there but the co-wash. And so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment what you want me to do, any videos that you'd like to see from me. Of course, share. and like make sure you subscribe to me. Like if you're not subscribed to me, I don't know what you're doing, but you should do that. You should really subscribe. Let's chat, let's have a conversation, let's get to know each other. You'll be great. So thanks again for watching, y'all, and I'll see you next time. Peace and love. See you in the next video. Bye.